Hey everybody, it's just Larry. This is day 27 of the Leetcode challenge. Hit the like button, the subscribe button, join me in Discord, and of course they locked me out because I'm in a new country. I am here in Rio de Janeiro, here in Brazil. Yeah, I wouldn't say I just got in, but I got in earlier today. Did not sleep, so I am just very tired. But overall, it's nice. It's very hot though, so all the hotness has been melting my energy, and unfortunately, I made a critical mistake of um, of getting Airbnb without AC. So no bueno. So I'm very tired. I'm ready to pass out. Let's get started in today's forum. We have 2402 meeting rooms 3. You're given an integer n, the n rooms numbered from 0 to n minus 1. You come to the integer arrays, meaning start n, meaning each meeting will be half closed in a row. Okay? All the values of starts are unique. Meetings are allocated to rooms in the following order. Each meeting will take place in an unused room with the lowest number. If there are no available rooms, the meeting will be delayed until a room is free. The delayed meeting should have the same duration as the original meeting. When a room becomes unused, meetings that have an earlier original start time should be given the priority, or given the room the priority. Right? All right. So I mean, that sounds like just like a lot of well, some kind of queue. I was thinking priority queue, but I'm just also thinking, do I even need priority queue? Right? Because it can just be a first in, first out, right? But it's just a simulation with something, right? And we should be able to do that, right? So let's just try. All right, yeah. Are the inputs sorted? N is equal to 100. Oh, N is the number of rooms, not the number of meetings. Okay. I mean, all these are, all the 2 examples are sorted, but I don't trust it. That seems like a trap. Let's just sort it, and it'll sort by the starting time. The starting time is unique, so then, yeah. We do need a priority queue, but I just mean like the queue for the meetings. The priority queue will tell you when the next meeting, the next room is available, right? So maybe we have like available. That's what I typed. Okay. Available is equal to 0 times n, right? The next time that is available. And maybe like a sorted list that will give you, that you could use as a priority queue, right? No, I mean, you could just use a priority queue actually. You don't even need to use a sorted list, right? So heap, maybe h available is equal to a heap, right? And then now, actually we should, this is heapified, right? Of x for x in range of n, right? So they're all available in the beginning, so right? Then now, I'm trying to think. So then for start n in meetings, then now we'll maybe write duration is equal to n minus start, right? Yeah, because this is closed. Okay. So then now, do we have a room available? So we do then, which is if length of h available is greater than 0, then we oops, heap pop. Yeah. So this is the room, right? This is wrong. Oh no, I mean this is wrong, but this should be this, something like this. That's what I mean to do, because the lowest room number is the tiebreaker, right? This is the time that this is done, right? So then now t right, which we don't use t anyway. Actually, maybe we. I'm not really writing this in a good way. My apologies, friends. I guess this is actually available, right? Because I guess that there are two ways to think about using the heap, and I think I did it kind of poorly. One is just returning the time in which they're available, or they only contain things that are available. So maybe we do it for the time, right? So then that means that this will always be true, right? So okay, right? So then now we add it back in later. Push. Because this is the first time that this is available. So then now we want either the time t or e, right? Well, t is the time plus d, so then it's max of these two. So whichever one is later, right? So that's the next time this is available. Right? What are we supposed to return? The number of the rooms of the most meetings. Oh, I actually did not. Okay. So I mean that part is easy though. We just have, you know, maybe count is equal to 0 times n. You know, room of count, room of what am I writing? Count of room. I'm trying to write in C or something where it doesn't matter. Not that it doesn't matter, but it not gonna go explain it. It's fine. Then yeah, multiple rooms. Then yeah, best is equal to 0. Best I is equal to 0. Yes, best is just count of 0, right? And then now for I in range from 1 to n, if best sub or best, I guess best of I is fine, right? Then now we can say count of best of I is less than count of I. Then best of I is equal to I. And then we just return best of I, right? And that's it, hopefully. And I'm passing out. Okay, I actually thought it could do that, but it's not a tough thing. And I also... Is this not a... What? I'm confused. Oh. This is not the right syntax. Yeah, this is annoying actually. Right, something like that. Silly mistakes, but this is not. If it works, it's fine. I'm not that worried about it. Oh no! But it does not work. Again, though, we did sort it though. So why is this wrong? So I think that is room 2, but it should be room 0. That sounds okay. I mean, this part, I didn't really worry about this part, so I don't know why I did it that way. But, okay, so here. Okay, let's see. So room 0 gets 13, room 1 gets 12, room 2 gets 10, right? 2, 3, 10, right? I guess that sounds right. Okay. Wait, did I mess up? I think I messed up the delay part. No, this should be right because we wait until the next room is available. Right? Yeah. And it's first in, first out. Okay, maybe I'm confused. Okay, so then now this one has this one. And then at time 10, oh, I messed up because at time, because here at at I don't know 1719, it actually has, because the way that I voted, I said that it's a variable since 0, which is fine, but actually it okay, I'm just being bad, but actually it has a choice between I don't know, 2 as well. At time 17 I just choice between 0, 1 and 2, and then it probably choose 0, and then I don't know what this is, but it'll just it's either 0 or 2, but it doesn't really matter because the, actually I guess it choose 0, 1 and 2 again, so it should be yeah, so yeah, okay. Silly mistake. I kind of thought about something like this, but for some reason I just kind of, I don't know, I'm really tired, so I'm giving up early. It feels like. But when is the next one available? That's quite true, right? I don't want to fix it. I mean, it's not too hard to fix, but I'm just trying to figure out what is the right way to fix it in a clean way. I think that's why I had it earlier, like, you know, right. Okay, and then now 0, right? And then now this is why I voted this way initially, but I think I just confused myself along the way, which happens. Okay, so okay, then boom is equal to hip hop, right? Okay. And then now we have to put in another heap, right? Which is naming things is always hard. Oh no. Used, I don't know, right? That's also a heap, but then we put used heap q dot hip push used, and then now we do this thing, right? Okay, right? And then now we also have to write, okay, well, at this start, while length of used is greater than 0, and used of 0 is less than or equal to s, meaning that given the start time, we want to look at all the things that we unqueue. So then h available dot heap push. The other, I hate this syntax. It's not quite natural. Yeah, and then this is just room, right? Where we have t room is equal to heap q dot heap pop used. Something like this. Let's give it a spin. I forgot to put this in here anyway, but I mean, it doesn't resolve this. Oh, the t was t again. T is the oh. Wait, what? No, I think this is just you now, right? Yeah. That's a wonk. So this one, I mean, we can. Oh, I don't have an else statement. That's why. There's no. I mean, yeah. I forgot to. I'm so tired, but okay. Is the next one available? Okay. So if it's not. Okay, that's where my T kind of went away, right? We want to say else, then H available of the no, the other one if used, right? So then now by definition, if this is 0, then that means that everything in used is whatever. So then we just take the next one, right? That's what I was missing. Okay, and then now used will contain T and room, right? I know it's a little bit duplication, but let's do it for now. And then now this is the T plus D thing, right? Okay. Okay, let's give a YOLO submit. On a confidence, but okay. Good, Gucci, we're happy. Yeah, what's the complexity here? It's gonna be, I mean, it's just a lot of heap operations, but linear in the number of meetings, so it's gonna be O of, let's just say M for meetings, and N is, you know, the input. So yeah. So for every M, there's log N, so it's M log N, but there's also a sorting of the meetings, so it's M log M. So I don't know. Yeah, gonna keep it simple. Gonna keep it at here. That's all I have for today. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay good, stay healthy, to your mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.